now, are you able to see the traffic light over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how
Yes,
many
ma'am.
lights are there in traffic signal?
3.
3 lights are there, correct? Red, yellow, and green. Yes, everybody. And
Yes.
whenever you are stucking on a traffic signal, so what you can see that all the 3 lights are lightening up after some duration, correct? Yes. Have you ever seen that all the lights have lighten up all together? Like red is also there, yellow is also there, green is also there. Have you seen any situation like this?
Yes.
Where? If all, okay, now just tell me one thing. If all the 3 lights, red, yellow, and green, will lighten up all together, then what will happen? Red one says stops, correct? Yellow says wait. Green says to go. And if all the 3 lights will lighten up together, then what will happen? Tell me. Everybody will get confused only, no? That either we need to wait or we need to go or we need to stop.
Ma'am, we
Okay?
confused.
Correct. Everybody will get confused and accident will happen. Correct. So to
Yes.
yes, so to ignore these kind of situations, what is happening? The one need to make sure like what is the minimum time that all the 3 lights will take to lighten up together. Okay, and to find that minimum time, we need to learn about what LCM. Okay, we need to learn about LCM. Understood, everybody? So in today's
Yes.
class, we are going to learn about LCM and HCF. So the first what we have is LCM. Now what is LCM? So the full form of LCM is least common and multiple.
Least common multiplier.
Okay. The full form of LCM is least common multiple. Got it, everybody? So now we can see 3 words over here. We can see least, we can see common, and we can see multiples. Now we need to learn about all the 3 words. So first we will be learning about multiples. So do you know what are the multiples?
Yes.
Tell me.
Ma'am.
Tell me
Yes,
what are the
ma'am.
multiples? Tell me.
Ma'am, multiply one number to other number.
Very nice. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, like 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12.
Correct. So multiples are the number that can be divisible by the given number without any remainder. So if I'm asking about the multiples of 3 and if I'm writing 6, so is 6 is a multiple of 3?
Yeah. Yes. Yes,
If I'm
ma'am.
writing 7, is 7 a multiple of 3?
No, ma'am.
I'm writing 8. Is 8 a multiple of 3?
No. No, ma'am.
I'm writing 9. Is 9 a multiple of 3?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm writing 10. Is 10 a multiple of 3?
No, ma'am.
If I'm writing 11,
Ma'am.
then
No, ma'am.
12.
No. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So whatever the number comes in the given numbers table, they all are what? Multiples. Got it? So if I need to write the multiples of 7, so what I can write? 7 ones are 7. I
7
can
twos
write
are 14.
14. I can
7 twos
also
are
write
21.
21. I can also write 7 fours are 28. And if I want to do like 7 times 12, I will be getting 84. That is also one of the multiple. Okay. So by any number, if I'm going to multiply by the counting numbers, I will be getting what? Multiples. Correct. Now, what you can see about the multiples. If I'm going to talk about the multiples of 6 and multiples of 7, so which is the smallest multiple of any number? Can you tell me which is gonna be the smallest multiple of any number? See,
Ma'am, 2.
no. The smallest multiple of 6 is what? 6. The
And
smallest multiple of
smallest
7
multiple.
is what? 7. So the number itself, okay, the number itself is gonna be the smallest multiple of any number. Okay, the number itself will be the smallest multiple of any number. And can you tell me that which is gonna be the largest multiple of any number?
Ma'am, 10.
Huh? No? Largest multiple of any number.
100.
No.
99.
99.
That is gonna be infinity because numbers are limitless, correct? We do have infinite numbers. So we can multiply any number infinite number of times. So that is why we do have infinite largest multiple. We cannot define them. Okay, there is no limit for them. Understood? Okay. So now we know about the multiples. Now we need to learn about common multiples. So suppose I am having two numbers 3 and 4. So first I have written all the multiples of 3 and then all the multiples of 4. Okay. Now out of all the multiples of 3 and 4, can you tell me that what are the multiples that you find common? Like which is there in the table of 3 and 4 as well? Yes, that is 12. 12 you can see in the table of 3 and in the table of 4 as well.
Yes, ma'am. Then 24.
24 you can see in the table of 3 and 12 as well. Then
Then
36 you can
36.
see. Correct? And so on. Okay, it will goes forever. Okay, so what are the common multiples that comes in the table of both the numbers? They are known as what? Common multiples. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for the full form of LCM, we have learned like least common multiples. And out of that, we have already learned about multiples and the common multiples. Now we need to learn about least common multiple. Now, how to figure out the least common multiple? So before that, we will do this exercise. Okay. Now just tell me, we need to write the first three common multiples of 2 and 3 first. Okay. So just tell me the multiples of 2. Who is gonna tell me? Garvit, you will tell me. Just tell
Ma'am,
me the
6.
multiples of 2.
Ma'am, multiple of 2.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, 6 4.
2 ones are 2.
2. 2 2 are 4. 2
Yes.
3 are 6. 2
Yes.
4 are 8. 2
Yes.
5 are 10.
Hmm.
2 6 are 12. 2 7 are 40. 2
Yes.
8 are 16. 2
Yes.
9 are 18. 2
Correct.
10 are 20.
Yes, and we can go further beyond that as well, correct? Because they will go till infinity. Now, what are the multiples of 3? Purvi, tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Purvi is telling me. Next, I will ask from you. Yes, Purvi. The multiples of 3, tell me.
3,
Yes.
6,
Yes.
9,
Hmm.
12,
Yes.
16,
Yes.
18,
Yes.
21,
Yes.
24,
Yes.
27,
Yes.
30.
Yes. Okay. Now, Harshada, can you
Yeah,
tell me like what are the common multiples we are finding?
common multiples.
Yes, which are there in multiple of 2 and 3, both.
6, 12,
6,
18,
12,
24.
18,
24.
yes,
24, correct? And the question is asking about first 3, so we will be writing 6, 12 and 18. Yes, everybody?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
yes, Chaitanya Shri, just tell me the multiples of 4.
4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8.
Hmm.
4 threes are 12.
Yes.
16.
Hmm.
20.
Yes.
4 6 are 24.
Yes.
4 sevens are 28.
Yes.
4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36.
Correct.
4 tens are 40.
Correct. And what are the multiples of 6?
yes.
6 ones are 6.
Hmm.
6 twos are 12.
Yes.
18.
Yes.
24.
Yes.
30, 36, 30, 36, 42, 42, 48, 54, 60.
And so on. Correct? Now, Garvit, tell me the common ones.
Ma'am, 12.
12 and
Ma'am, I did not even get a chance.
oh yes, Mahilmita, tell me the common ones.
જો આવું બોલે છે ને એ લોકો.
Ma'am, 24.
Yes.
Ma'am, 32.
36.
36.
Yes. So these are what? These are the common multiples. Okay. Now we need to learn about least common multiple. And what is the meaning of least? Least means the minimum. Okay. So out of these multiples, can you tell me which one is the least one? Which
6.
one is the smallest one? 6.
Ma'am, 12.
The LCM of 2 and 3 would be what? 6.
6.
Okay, out of this, can you tell me which is the least common multiple?
12.
12. So the LCM of 4 and 6 would be what? 12.
12.
Understood how to figure out the LCM?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have already learned how to figure out the LCM. So now just quickly tell me the first 5 even multiples of 5. Okay, so we will ignore this thing first. So just tell me the multiples of 5
Ma'am,
first. Yes,
I will tell 10, 15, 20.
Hold on, Harshada, hold on. Yes, Mahil Mehta, tell me.
Ma'am, 5 ones are 5. 5, 10, 15,
Yes,
20,
yes.
and 25.
Tell me for a few more.
30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Like so on it will go. Now we will be coming on this point. It is saying even multiples. So out of this, we need to search for the even multiples. So what are the even one?
Ma'am, 10, 20,
10,
20, 40, 50.
50. So these are the first 5 even multiples. Correct, everybody? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So now we are moving towards what? HCF. So now what is HCF? HCF is highest common factor. Okay, HCF is what? Highest common factor. And where we can use HCF? Suppose you are having so many candies along with you. Okay, and you just want to distribute all those candies among your friends. Okay, and you need to figure out like what is the maximum number that you can give to your friends so everybody can get an equal share. Okay, everybody can get an equal number of candies. So for that, we can use the method of HCF, the highest common factor. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how can we figure it out? So here also you can see 3 words: highest, common, and factor. Again, we are going to start from the end only. So first we are going to learn about factors. So what are the factors?
No idea.
No idea? Okay, no worries. So factors are the numbers that can divide the given number without any remainder. Okay, so for this, if I'm writing number, okay, 12. So if I'm asking like 1, is 12 divisible by 1?
Yes.
Is 12 divisible by 2?
Yes.
Is 12 divisible by 3?
Yes.
Is 12 divisible by 4?
Yes.
Is 12 divisible by 5?
No.
Is 12 comes in a table of 6?
Yes.
Is 12 comes in a table of 7?
No. No.
12 comes in a table of 8.
No.
This 12 comes in a table of 9.
No. No.
10,
No.
11.
No.
12 comes in a table of 12.
Yes.
So
Yes.
now we will stop. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are the factors of 12. Understood how to figure out the factors?
Understood.
And this we can easily write in one's table how many times 12 is there? 12 times. In two's table how many times 12 is there? 6 times.
20.
In three's table how many times 12 is there? 4 times. Then in 4 tables how many times 12 is there? 3 times. Now what we can see, this is 3 and 4 and this is 4 and 3. They are repeating. So we will not count this one and we will stop over here. So now whatever we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. All are these are the factors of 12. Understood everybody? Yes everyone?
Yes.
Yes. So now just look at the factors of 24 what
બધા
you
ફેક્ટર
have.
ઓફ 12 થયા 12 માં 1 માં બી આવે
Okay.
12
And the
માં બી આવે
factors of 12 also you have. So can you tell me like which one is the smallest factor of any number?
1.
1.
1.
1 is always a factor of any number. Okay, and which one is gonna be the largest factor?
12. 24.
Ah, so what about 12 and 24? When we are finding the factors of 24,
12,
24
ma'am.
is the largest one. And when we are finding the factors of 12, 12 is the largest one. Which means largest factor of any number is the number itself. Got it? The largest factor of any number would be number itself. Got it everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So now we need to learn about common factors. So here we do have two numbers 6 and 12. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And what are the common ones? 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common and 6 is common. Okay. Now out of this, can you tell me which one is the highest one?
6, ma'am.
6. So what will be the HCF?
6.
HCF would be what? 6.
6.
Understood how to figure out the HCF?
Yes.
Got it everybody?
Yes.
Okay? Yes. So now just quickly tell me the HCF of 25 and 35. So first tell me the factors of 25. Yes, Myra.
5.
Myra, can you tell me the factors of 25?
25 50
1,
1,
5, and 25, I think.
and what are the factors of 35?
1, 5, and
7
7. Is 7
Yes.
a factor? And then 35.
Correct. And which one is gonna be the common one?
1
5.
5.
1 and
Common
5.
is 1 and 5. And which one is the highest one out of 1 and 5?
5.
5. So our answer needs to be what? 5. Got it? Yes?
Yeah.
Now just tell me about 18 and 15. Bhargav, just tell me the factors of 18.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
correct.
5, 6,
6, very good.
and 9,
9. And then 18 itself. 18. Okay. What are the factors of 15?
1, 5, 3,
Yes.
uh,
In 3's table, how many times 15 is there?
5,
5. And then 15.
15.
So what are the common ones?
1, 3,
3. And which is the highest one?
3.
3. So HCF will be what? 3. Understood?
Yes.
Got it, everybody? How to figure it out?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Okay. So now we do have question. So out of the given numbers, which one of the number is not a multiple of 12? Which means we need to check out of the given numbers which is not divisible by 12.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes, go ahead, tell me.
186.
186 is not divisible by 12.
Yes.
Correct. 186 is not divisible by 12. Because when we are going to divide 186 by 12, we can divide it one time. We are getting 66. We can divide it 5 times. 60 and 6 will be remaining. So 186 is not divisible by 12. Got it. So next is how many multiples of 10 are there from 20 to 150? From starting from 20 and ending at 150, how many multiples of 10 are there?
Then can I
Every answer you will give only. Yes, who else is giving? Yes, Purvi, tell me.
tell? It's 14.
14, okay, tell me the multiples of 10 from 20 to 150. What are those 14 numbers? Tell me.
20, 30,
Yes,
40,
yes,
50, 60,
yes.
70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150.
Very good. Very good. Very nice. Got it, everybody? Next.
Got it.
Find the sum of all the factors of 48 that are multiple of 6. First, we will ignore this. We will be writing this only. So just quickly let me know the factors of 48. Who is gonna tell me?
Me.
Yes, Harshita, tell me. Factors of 48.
48, 96,
Not multiples, factors. In one stable, how many times 48 is there?
48,
In two stable?
24,
In three stable?
8,
Ah,
8,
16. In four
16,
stable?
4, 12,
12. In five stable, 48 is not there. In six stable?
8,
In seven stable, 48 is not there. In eight stable?
6,
6. So now this is repeating itself, no? So now we are not going to count this. So what are the factors we are getting? We are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 40. Yes? Now the question is saying we need to figure out of this the multiples of 6. So from these numbers, what are the numbers that are the multiples of 6 as well, which means they are coming in the table of 6. So
6,
6,
12,
12,
24,
24,
48.
48. Yes. Now we need to figure out their sum. So which means we need to add all of them. So when we are going to add 6, 12, 24 and 48, what we are going to get?
90,
90. So our answer needs to be
90,
90. Got it, everybody? Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Next question. We need to figure out the LCM of 6 and 10. So what first step we need to do? First we need to write the multiples of 6 and the multiples of 10. Chaitanya Shri, will you tell me the multiples of 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 40, 48, 54, 60,
What are the multiples of 10? We have Myra, tell me.
10, 20, 30,
Ma'am,
40,
20,
50,
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100.
Okay, so now, Harshada, tell me the common one. Which are common? Tell me. Yes, Harshad.
Ma'am, 30.
Common ones we have
Then 30,
30.
60,
Yes.
60.
30, 60. Okay. Now, which is the least common one?
30.
That is 30. So LCM will be what?
30.
30. Understood?
Yes,
Yeah.
understood.
Okay. Now the next. We need to say that whether statement are true or false. The first one is the HCF of 20 and 30 is 60. Just
True.
quickly tell me.
True.
No. HCF can never be bigger than the given number. So HCF of 20 and 30 is not 60. LCM is 60. HCF is not 60. Because what are the, okay, if we are going to figure out the HCF of 20 and 30, correct? So what are the factors of 20? Just tell me. In one table 20 is there, in two tables 20 is there, in four tables 20 is there, in five table 20 is there, correct?
10,
In 10's table 20 is there, and then in 20's table 20 is there. And what are the factors of 30?
1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 30,
Correct? And if we need to figure out the largest one, so largest one is gonna be what?
10.
10 only. Correct? So their HCF should be what? 10. And here it is given 60, so that is what? False. Okay? Next is HCF of two number is always a factor of their LCM. Okay, if we are finding the HCF of two number, so that is a factor of their LCM. That is true.
True.
Okay, so first is false, second is true.
True.
Got it, everyone?
Got it, ma'am.
Now we need to match the following with their LCMs. Okay, now I'm going to divide it. Chaitanya Shri, you will be finding about first one. Myra, you will be doing, okay, Chaitanya Shri will do the first one. Myra, you need to do the second one. And after that, Purvi, you need to do the third one. Bhargav, you need to do the fourth one. And Garvit, you need to do the fifth one. Just do it and tell me your answer. I'm waiting for your responses.
Um, 18.
18 for which one?
The second one, I think.
The second one you are getting 18. Okay. Yes, everybody, I'm waiting. Yes, Bhargav, Purvi, Chaitanya Shri, Garvit, Harsha, tell me.
I am finding, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, for 5 and 8, that needs to be what?
40.
40. Okay, for 6 and 14, that needs to be
42.
42. For 7 and 11, that needs to be
77.
77. For 10 and 15, that needs to be 30. So answer needs to be BAECD. BAECD. Okay, which is gonna be option number A. Understood, everybody?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, then.